If you rely on Google to get customers, AI is about to make your life very difficult. More and more people are going to AI platforms like ChatGPT and Grok instead of Google search when they're looking to buy products and services. For example, if somebody's looking for a plumber, it used to be they would just search plumber near me in Google. But now that same person might go to their favorite AI platform and say, I have a leak under my sink and want to get it fixed ASAP. Can you recommend a plumber in my area with reasonable prices who can fix this as fast as possible? And the AI will give them a better answer because it's specific to their situation. As of right now, most people haven't figured this out. But they will. And it'll happen fast. Mark my words, a year or two from now, the search engines are going the way of the yellow pages. Now, that may sound like a bad thing, but it's actually a massive opportunity for the business owners who get out ahead of it. Because just like there are SEO strategies to rank better in the search engines, there are also things you can do to make the AI platforms recommend your business. So yes, your search traffic is going to die off over the next year or two. But if you can get noticed by the AI platforms, you can get a bigger piece of the market than ever before. And the companies that adapt to the new AI ecosystem are going to be the ones that grab all the market share. And the ones that don't are going to be left behind. Now, obviously, that begs the question, how do you get the AI platforms to recommend your business? I've boiled it down to a 7-step process. That is, 7 things you need to do to get your business favored by the AI platforms. If you click the link that's somewhere around this video and opt in on the next page, I'll send you my complete guide to AI search optimization for free. It will show you exactly what the 7 steps are and how to implement each of them yourself. Now, I want to be totally upfront with you. My process does not work for every business. It works for established businesses. That is, you've been in business for at least a year, you get customers consistently, you've got some online reviews, etc. If you're a new business, this will not work for you. You'll need to build a bit of a reputation first. Now, this process also takes some time and effort. If you don't have a whole lot of free time, it probably makes more sense to just hire an expert to handle it for you, which is exactly what I do. My name is Ray Fitzgerald, and I've been doing websites and SEO for the last 20 years, which is a long time in internet years. I've seen SEO change and evolve many times, and I've been sure to stay ahead of the curve every time. It's obvious to me that search is being replaced by AI, so I've gone all in on AI optimization both for myself and my clients. If you'd like me to get your business AI optimized so you show up at the top of the AI recommendations, I can do that for you. Just click the link and pick up the free guide, and then on the next page I'll give you my info, so if you like, we can have a chat about what I can do for you. Either way, go ahead and click the link, check out the free guide, and we'll be in touch if you want further help. I'm sure you've seen how fast AI is changing the landscape of the internet, so I recommend you don't sit on this. The companies that get in front of this now are going to have a massive advantage for years to come. And the companies that sit on their thumbs are going to be left behind. So click the link now, sign up on the next page, and let's get this handled.